So, hi. I changed up the camera angle a little bit. Hopefully you guys can get a better view. I have my living room protected with this old curtain. I have all my supplies around me. I have everything I need right here. Let's start. So the first plant that I want to start with is this Chinese evergreen. And I recently bought this. When I bought it, I could see it was a rescue plant from, I believe, Lowe's, and it's just been overwatered. As you can see, the leaves are yellowing because it has been overwatered. The soil has just been so wet. Okay. I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh. Look at the roots, you guys. Ooh. Yo. Look at the roots. Crazy, right? Now I know why it's yellowing. Okay. Put this back there. I was going to put it in this planter. But now I think it might need a bigger planter. Okay. Do I have a bigger planter for it? I'll be back. I had to search and find a bigger planter to put it in because the planter that I had in mind was just not big enough. Because the roots were so massive that if I put it in that planter, it wouldn't have enough space for the roots to grow. So I had this bigger planter that was put aside for another plant. But check out, I have to put this. Look at all these roots. Oh shoot! I'm getting soil everywhere. I have to put it in. Yeah, definitely gonna put this in that planter. The sun is coming back out. I don't want to make this video too long. Even though I kind of like longer videos, especially the planting videos, because it's just so relaxing, you know? So I do line my pots with a coffee liner, or if I have like a piece of like mesh. Right now I have coffee liner. And this is just my basic soil mix. It's Espoma indoor potting soil with some perlite and some worm castings, and I just mix it up myself and I create my basic potting mix. Let's get this with all the roots. Good. The soil is still kind of moist, you guys, and I've had it in my home for a while now. Like, they thoroughly overwatered this plant, and it was just me cut off these branches that just are yellow. Oh wow, it's gonna be so much happier in the new soil, right? And this plant, I named it Mulan. Right, Mulan? You're gonna be so much happier, right? Yes, Mulan, you're gonna love it. Let's get you situated in there, get your roots down, because your roots are popping up. Alright, ready, Mulan, for new dirt? Hey, check out your new dirt. New home, new you. Oh, wait, Mulan, wait, you're making a mess here. This 2019, no more old home. You've moved on up in the real estate market. You moved out of your 1-bedroom, now you have a 2-bedroom. No, it's probably a 3-bedroom because I moved you up. Now you're in a 3-bedroom. So yeah, Mulan, hopefully you do much better in here. The next one I want to get potted up is this string of bananas. It was in my hanging planter and a macrame for a while now, and I really want to get it planted up. This was a rescue plant that I got for $1. Oh. Be careful with this. I got it for $1 at Lowe's when I was in Virginia, when I was on vacation with Keisha. I got it for $1. Now it's really healthy at the bottom, like down here it's really healthy, but it's really bald and sparse at the top here. So I don't know how to fix that, but I do know it needs a new plant home because it's been here for October, November, December, January, March, April, March. About 6 months I've had it. 5-6 months I've had it in here now, and it's time for it to get a new home. So I think I'm going to put it in this planter right here, similar to the one I just did. So let me just get a piece of coffee thingamajiggy, coffee liner, coffee ground. I don't drink coffee, so I don't know what it's called. And let's see what this is. OG, also known as Old Man George. Let's see what he's working with, because I've never taken him out. Ooh, roots for days, you guys. The root system is brown like the color of the pot, but it has a lot of the roots. Put some of the new soil in here. And let's see. Oh, like I don't know what to do with this one. Like, it's not, I need to get in there. But these are in the way. Okay, did you guys get out of the way? These are, the actual string of bananas is getting in the way. Okay, let's push it down. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. Looks better so far. But I just need to know if any guys want to provide any tips of how to get the middle section to, I don't know, you know, like not be so bold and sparse. Let me know, please. Oh man, this string is caught in there. Oh. Let's take this side out. Okay. Now, do I put more soil on top here? I mean, it's in there. It has soil around it. Just put a little bit on the top. Just a little sprinkle, a little salt-based sprinkle at the top. And just shake it on down. Just so it can have some kind of nutrients at the top as well. So that when I do water it, there's some nutrients at the top as well from the worm castings. Alright, welcome to your new home, OG, Old Man George. You're in, you know, a retirement home, an old folks home, but you moved on up to a condo in Florida. Still in an old folks facility, but you know, you got your own little space now, so. Alright, Old Man George. I have to clean up all these pots later, but it's how it's looking. Ain't he a star? Next are these coffee plants right here. I got 2 of them. Look at them! And I'm going to put them in one planter. So I'll put them in this planter or this planter. Let me see which one I like better. All white or white with the green? The white with the green or all white? Choices I have to make. For the coffee plants, I decided to go with the all white. I don't know. I just like all white planters, you guys. I just like it, alright? It's my thing. So let's see what they're working with. I did have a coffee plant before, and it died, but it was a little mini baby one. And I don't know what happened. But also that one had a worm inside of it in the soil, and it terrified me. I was scared. What is this thing here? Why is this white string? What is this? How do I get it out? How do I get rid of it? Help. Why is it? I can't even. Oh, I just pull it out? Oh, you just pull it out. I didn't know that. Womp womp. Now I know. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, that one had a worm in the soil and it scared me to death. And I think I just neglected it because I was scared of the worm that was in the soil. And I don't like worms. So doing this one right now is bringing back memories and I'm getting scared. So these are the roots. Okay. This is the other one. Now I know you just pull it out. These are this roots. And yes, I'm touching it with my hands, even though I'm scared that there might be a worm in here. I'm just hoping there isn't. Because then if this whole thing will get shut down. If there's a worm in here, I'm done. I'm not going to clean up none of this. It's getting shut down, and that's going to be that. And then when my husband comes home, he's going to have to figure it out because I'm going to be done. Here we go. You guys are in there. Give me some new soil. Guys, be healthy. I wish you much success. And I'm going to name this one Joe as well, because the one that died was much smaller. It was like a really like small, like 1.5 inch, 2 inch pot. And I named it Joe. And I'm just going to name this one Joe as well. So it's going to be Joe again. And there you go. And the white planter. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. So that's 3 we've done so far. This is number 3. I realize I have a lot more plants to repot. So I have to go make more mixture. Alright, next I guess I'm going to do this one. Yeah, I'm going to do this one. Let's see what we're working with. This is a different Bacchia, a dumb cane. Roots has some good roots. I'm going to put it in, let's see, I don't want it in this. It's like green on green on green. No, it's not deep enough, so no. Sorry, you don't make the cut. This one, yeah, it's kind of cute in this one. It says basil on it, but we all know this is not basil, so let's put it in this one. And I got most of these planters. If you want to see my plant haul video, I'll link it above for you. But that was for Target, and that one was $5 from Target. All the roots down. I think it should be good in this. I don't have a bigger planter, do I? No. That should be about it. I don't know. I feel like I need something deeper. What can I put you in? The one that I really wanted to put it in, I had to put something else in it, but I don't feel like this is being... Well, we'll see. So for now, it's in this one. To me, it's kind of low, like the space from here to here. It's not deep enough, but we'll see. We will see. If I need to repot it, then that's what I'll do. Yeah, because it's not making me happy right now. You know what? I think maybe I should put it in this terracotta pot that I painted white. Let me see what that's like. No, still not, because it's so narrow. No. Nope. Alright, then back in this. You're gonna go, sorry. So this is my plant it up. Pot is hella dirty now, but I'm gonna clean it up afterwards when everything is all done. Next, I'm going to do this plant right here. It's some kind of ivy. I got it today from Home Depot. Let's see what the roots are looking like. Oh, very healthy roots. Not bad at all. Now should I put it in this planter with the gold? I think it looks kind of cute. Really dainty and delicate. But it's about the same size of where it came out of. But I put it in this one. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna put it in this one. I like it better in this one. Okay. Oh, I need to sit down probably for this one. Okay. Now let's put some salt all around. I just like the way it looks. Do I want it to the side or to the front? This thing here. I like it to the side. Off to the side. I like the trail to the side. Let's just put some dirt all around it. This planter I also hold in my one of my plant haul videos, like 2 videos back. This planter was from Rite Aid. I think I paid like $4 or $5 for it. The pharmacy Rite Aid. Yeah. There, look at it go, look at it! Filming these videos is a lot of work. It's a lot of moving around. Because I have to get up and move. It's a lot, you guys. It's a lot. The next plant we're going to do is this other dump cane, another different bacchia, a smaller one, a little bit different design of the pattern. The other one had like more of a splash. This one has like more of a bigger splash on the pattern. And I think I'm going to put it in another one of these white planters from Rite Aid. See it where roots are looking good. Put a coffee liner. Put some soil. Okay. Make a little mound in the center. Loosen up the soil on the plant. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now stick it inside. And now cover it up. Boom. Boom. Like, you know, before when I used to repot plants, you guys, I used to be so delicate and gentle, like a little baby. But now I just, not that I'm saying I'm not gentle, now I just do it. I used to be so scared. I'm still a little bit scared sometimes with certain, you know, plants. But I just try to just do it and just, you know, give them positive vibes. Think about how I'm giving them a newer, better home. And I just do it. Like, I'm not as delicate. Like, doing one of these would have taken me a good, like, 15-20 minutes. Now, like, I did this one in less than 5 minutes. And I used to have to get everything right, and if something was wrong. But that's what it is. I'm growing in my plant journey. Little by little, I'm growing, I'm learning. And she's done. And he's done. This one is called Hulk. So Hulk is done. Hulk is done. Next, I do want to do this. What is this called? What is this called? You guys know. Cebu blue pothos. But what would I put it in? I don't think I have any more. I don't have any big planters to put it in. Let me see what the roots are like, if I can get it out of here. If not, then I'll just wait to repot it. Let's see what the root system is like. If it can wait, then I'll repot it a different day. Oh my gosh. Do you see those roots? Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. No, this needs something bigger. So we will not repot this today because it needs something bigger. And I don't have that something bigger right now. So let's put it right back in here. And I've got nothing ever happened. Like, we never took it out until I can get something bigger. Alright, next I'm going to switch this plant out. This is a silver satin pothos. I honestly think that this pot is too big. The root system on this is not that massive. I think this pot is too big for it. And I want to put it in an all white pot anyway. So I'm thinking one of these. I don't know which one yet. So let's take it out and see what we're working with. Let's see. Now this soil is good, so let me put it over here. Okay, I can't get it out. Ooh! Child. Oh, it's like giving birth. Yeah, it's a lot of soil. So I think I'm going to put it in here. Yeah, I like it better in here. And the plants that hang, I like them to be in this pots with the base. Let's take this back out. Put some soil, and this soil was good. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Let's put a liner so I don't lose soil. Almost forgot that. There we go. Okay. Let's put some soil. I'm using the same soil that it was in because it was pretty good. Get all these roots in there. Oh my gosh, it's so tricky. It won't stay down. And these things are so tangly. You're getting tangled with each other. Okay, go in there. No, you go in there. Oh, they're just tangling up. What is this yellow one doing there? No one invited you. Let's get you in there. Okay, everybody's in. Everybody's seated. Everybody's on the bus. Let's get you in there. Let's add some soil to the top of you. Let's put it around the side. Yeah, I like it much better in the smaller pot. I know it's smaller, but I think, you know, the roots will do much better here because the soil was not drying out fast enough in the other one. And, you know, as a self-proclaimed past used to be plant killer, I used to overwater plants a lot. So now that I'm learning not to overwater, I'm very careful about, you know, the root system and how much space it has for the soil and the watering. So I do not play any games when it comes to that. So this is much better. See, some of these are yellowing already anyway, and I don't want that. Alright? And her name is Sade, by the way. This is Sade. Sade is all done. The next plant we're going to repot is this, another pothos. It is a mixture of the marble queen and the jewel pothos, I believe. I got it at Home Depot. It was much fuller, and it just keeps, I don't know, it won't die, but it's not living healthy as well. Like, it always has brown leaves, and I'm not overwatering it, I'm not underwatering it. I water it when it's dry. It's probably like my third time repotting it because it keeps getting smaller and smaller, but then it puts out new leaves. But I still think this pot is kind of too big for it because now the soil, I believe, is too much for the root system since it got smaller. And I also want to convert it over to a plant that's whiter because I know it's pink and I'm not really feeling that right now. So I don't know, like, it won't die. And I'm happy it won't die. I'm very happy. I don't want it to die. But then I don't know what to do. Like, it keeps getting brown tips and it's not underwatered. I don't know what it is. So we're just going to move it out. See all this extra soil, and the root system is not that developed. So I'm going to put it in a much smaller pot, which is this one here with the gold dots. I'm not wasting the soil. It's pretty good. Oh my gosh. It turned over. The whole container turned over. Oh, I'm definitely making a mess today. Definitely making a mess today. Okay. Put you here. Put you there. Okay. Stick you in there. And let's use the same soil. snapped it off. Oh my gosh. Well, why is it snapping off? Because I broke it like a dodo. Let me just try. Let me just stick it in there and see what happens. You never know. Because it doesn't have a node to be propagated in water. Sticking everything back in there to see what happens. Man. Alright. Oh man, I feel bad. And I was just talking about how I'm not delicate anymore. Maybe I should have been more delicate. See this? Crazy. Whatever. I have hopes, since it hasn't died yet, that it's going to survive. I have all the hopes for you, Jewel. And her name is Jewel, by the way. Jewel, like a jewelry. Jewel. So I have hopes that she's going to survive. Somewhere or another, we're going to make it. And I'm going to look back on this video one day and I'm going to be like, I remember when you were such a tiny little baby. And you kept dying on me, but you didn't die. You kept, trying to die, but you wouldn't die. And now look how big you are now. So just remember, this is how you looked. And maybe a few months from now, a few years from now, you're going to be massive. The envy of all Pothos. But there is Jewel in her cute little pot. Hi. Okay, the last one for the day is this really big one right here. I actually got this plant today. And I usually let the plants stay in my house for like a week or 2 weeks, or even months before I repot them. But this one, it was a rescue plant. The soil looks really bad. And since, we're already here, I already have a mess on the floor. Oh, why not continue with the mess, right? So I'm going to attempt this big one right now. And I think that should be the last one for now. But if you guys like these kind of videos, let me know. Because I can do more repotting videos. Just let me know. Okay? Alright. And I don't know which planter. I might put it in this all-white planter here, which I'm not too fancy, but this one, or this one that I just hauled today as well. So when I open it, when I remove it from the pot, we'll see what we're working with. Let me move this out of here. Just make it a mess. Alright, let's put this in here. Make sure you guys can see me. That's what we're working with. I can smell the dirt. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. It smells so good. It smells like outdoorsy and wow! The roots are crazy. Let's see, ready? Do you see that? Do you see that? Crazy. So I'm definitely gonna put it in the big one. I need to get up for this. I'm gonna put it in this big one here that I got today as well from Walmart for $13. I'm gonna use this old mesh. I took out the other one, and let me put some soil inside of it. Just give it a nice base to start off with. Oh, it's hard. Why is it so hard? I try to loosen the root system, but it's hard. It's like it's dried up. Like, it's really hard, you guys. I mean, I'm not gonna loosen it up too much, but it's like frozen, if that makes sense. Like, I don't think it makes sense, but it feels like it's frozen. But I'm just gonna massage it a little bit just to loosen it so that it can find its way and migrate and move around in this new luxury mansion that it's moving to. Take off all the dead leaves. Definitely the roots on it here. Let me just, let it know, like wake it up, like, you know, you're going to a new home. You gotta let it know. Sometimes they don't know that they're going to a new home. I let them know so they can pack their belongings and get ready for the space. All right. Bam. Whoo, child. Okay. So now that it's in there, hopefully you guys see it this good. Let's pack it with some soil. It's in there, but it's crooked. I don't like crooked. Okay. Oh, I might need to get more soil for this. Definitely gonna need more soil for this. These ones right here are all the plants that I planted up today. This big one right here, my dumb cane, string of bananas, pothos, other pothos, other dumb cane, this ivy, my coffee plant, and my Chinese evergreen. So these are all the plants that not those. But today, as you can see, these are all the plants that I planted up. They're looking really cute. But yeah, it's a lot of work. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you like the planting videos. Other videos are coming shortly. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.